Today I'm going to show you how to make your own horror movie. It is easy, and you can start today. Soon, I'll show you a detailed step-by-step tutorial for complete beginners. I will use only free AI tools. At the end of the video, I'll show you the result of today's work, so watch until the end. Content preparation by ChatGPT. Now it's time to create our original story. I love David Lynch's horror style and abandoned dark places. You can make up anything you want. Sky is the limit. I've put the prompt I used in the caption below the video. Just edit the ending, and ChatGPT will create your original horror story, creating images with Leonardo. I recommend using the Leonardo.ai, which has free 150 credits daily and creates photorealistic images. First, I log into my account and then select the Leonardo Diffusion XL model. In the left settings panel, I choose 2 images and set the input dimension to 16.9. Then, I just need to insert the prompt generated using ChatGPT and download the individual photos. Creating animations with Pika. You will need Discord account and invitation from Pika, link in description. On the right side, click on Pika bot and then write a message. In the next step, you will have a private conversation. Just type prompt, animate and paste individual pictures. Remember that animation tools may have trouble generating photorealistic people movements. You will get better results with animating landscapes and objects. If you want to enlarge the video for free, you can use the CapCut Video Upscaler in the Magic Tools section. Creating voiceover with 11 Labs. In ChatGPT, I create a text transcript using the prompt, create a raw script in one continuous paragraph without visual suggestions. I copy the story text from ChatGPT into 11 Labs. This tool has 1,000 characters per month for free. It is easy to use and you only need to select the appropriate voice. I click on Add Voice, then on Add Generative and Voice Library. Now I use the filter in the top bar to choose Narrative Style and select the voice of an old can with a British accent. I listen to the samples and I like Merlin's voice the best, so I click on Add to Voice. In the Speech Synthesis section, I select Merlin's voice in Settings and click Generate. I download the resulting voice in the section below. Creating video with CapCut. Now, I'll create the final video. I upload all the files using the Import button. Then, I drag the files onto the timeline below. I remove the watermark by enlarging the video and setting the speed to 0.5 in the settings on the right side. I'll add a film frame to effect to the whole video. For each video, it's also a good idea to add a slow zoom in effect in the scene settings by clicking on the diamond and then zooming in the scale section. Next, I create subtitles using text, auto captions, create and set the text on the right to stand out. Then, I increase the font size, choose the style, and place the subtitles in the center. Then, I insert sounds that fit the scenes. And finally, I choose suitable music. I recommend not using the CapCut library to avoid a copyright strike. I use the free YouTube library, or 3 downloads per month, from thetool.com. I'm interested in songs from the dark category. I put all used links in description. And now you can see shortcut of final video.
Confronted by terrifying otherworldly entities, the friends are separated in the chaos, each facing their own nightmarish ordeal. As dawn approaches, only Alex emerges, trembling and disoriented. The city is empty once again, with no trace of Jamie or Sam.
What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching today's video on the Extra Income channel. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, don't miss our next interesting video.